Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025. Here are 17 ways that you can thrive in 2025. Number 1, set boundaries and say no without feeling any guilt. Number 2, get the facts of a situation. Don't assume. Number 3, do not dwell on the past or worry about the future. Instead, remain in the present moment. Number 4, support and encourage those around you. Number 5, avoid gossiping and stop complaining. If you don't like something in your life, baby, change it. If you cannot change it at this time, consider the positives and stay lighthearted. Ooh, baby. Number 6, mind your own business. Yeah, that's it. Mind your own. Mind your own business. That's it. Mind your own business. Number 7, be aware that every next level that the Lord brings you to, it will require a new version of you. So be prepared to show up. Number 8, my loves, no excuses, only solutions. What do you have to do in order to get where you need to be? Once you figure that out, just get it done. Do not take no for an answer, and do not be easily defeated. Number 9, treat others how you want to be treated. Number 10, stop caring what others think about you. What they think doesn't matter anyway. When they love you, they'll have positive things to say about you. When they hate you, they'll have negative things to say about you. Either way, you still have to show up. You still have to live in purpose. You still have to become all that God has created you to be. So get it done and block out the haters. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, number 11. Say no to all negative self-talk. Anytime it tries to creep up, shut it down. Anytime that broken record starts to replay in your mind or you begin to overthink, shut it down. Speak life. Oh, that was actually the next one. Number 12. Speak life and not death. Number 13. Speak those things that are not as though they were. This means that you need to believe and declare something to be true, although you may have no tangible evidence that is happening. Number 14, stop doubting yourself. 15, know that you are worthy and begin living in your worth. Number 16, trust yourself to make good decisions. And number 17, our last one, my loves, trust in the Lord with your whole heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make sure that your paths are straight. Did He say in some ways? Partially? 50% way? No, He said all your ways, okay? Submit it to Him and He'll make your path straight. Alrighty, my loves, that is it. Those are 17 ways that you can begin to thrive in 2025. I love you all, and I will see y'all soon in the next video. Mwah.